How would you like to be helped? If I give you a platform now, here are the people who are watching the podcast. What kind of a help do you need in order to survive? And where do they find you? What are you capable to do? What can you do? Which is legal in the life of today. The help that can make you live a better life and eradicate present nightmares, frustrations, a previous life, and move on with the life now. Ufane nabo ma-orange impilo ibe mnandi.
Okwamanje bhuti into ebengayithanda mina ngithanda usizo lokuthi ibhizinisi yami ikithi kancane. Because now I realized ukuthi mina I'm there for intwana ngifune abo apha abancane babuyele ejele. So banesikhathi esiningi ezandleni mangi-observe kazi bagcina bayobhema ama-drugs babhema izolo bajabula amakunezolo or bayetshwaleni nge-weekend. So mina ngiphambi kwethaveni, so ngifuna ukuvula i-coffee corner la esitendeni. So abantu nje mabangangisiza ngebhodlela lehasi elincane nje ukuthi ngibeke amanzi abile for itiye, and then ngithengisa amatiye la, ngiyenze itulo ngama-pallets, and then abantu bakhona ukuhlala labafana beze la bazojoyina indlela yokuthi it's not only alcohol who can make you happy, that can make you happy. Ne cup of tea. Uhleli nabo bra apha lapha. Ubuza any question. Conversation, wisdom khona lapha. But
during the process of drinking tea.
Yes.
There's mindset interchange.
Yes. Because abanye abantu bayazibulala only to find bebashota nje ngomuntu ozokhuluma nabo. Laba aba-around yena akasababoni kwabantu angakhuluma nabo. It's normal. Lento le abantu bayithathe, it's normal. Ukuthi abantu abaphambi kwakho ufila ngathi bazokuqikelela phansi bayokhuluma ngawo.
Once again, welcome to the second chapter of the episode we did with a guy who is an ex-convict. We are ejele bafethu. So, and then I gave him a platform to say whatever it's in the heart. Then he said he wanted to start a coffee shop, and then what will be the requirements? He needed a gas, a cooler box, etc. So that's why we're here today to hand over what he wanted to have so that he can start the business, so that he can be free from crime and help young people not to go to prison, actually not to commit crime, not to follow his footsteps, which is a good move. So today, as we are here to stalk.
Abazwakala beze mfethu for intwana zethu for umphakathi wonke.
Le igazibo le. Uyayibona mos bakubonisa ikhona ne-manual ukuthi uyivula kanjani. Ngiye ngaba nayo you must handle with care mawuyivula uyi-stretcha laphana ungabe excited bese useyanqamuka. So sesiyayivala ke thina siphuma kanje. Your last words, my brother, and now my camera to the podcast, to our fans, to everybody watching in the world.
Bafethu ngicela njengoba sengembongela uBhoti Israel, ngicela ukubonga abantu aba-subscribe ku-Israel Matsikezo podcast. That is the #1 podcast bafethu kuya ngami, because yiyo engisizile namhlanje ngikhuluma into ebonakalayo. So ngithi wonke umuntu bafethu lungisa ispirit sakho, especially uma umncane nespirit esi-right, silungise ntwana yami. Ungame erenkeni yamateksi ekubeni ufuna ukuyogibela i-aeroplane namhlanje.
Ngiyabona impilo inzima man. Mina I'm from Alexandra originally. It's from pavement to tie road. From tie road to car. So ngiyabona ukuthi hayi samele kusetshenzwe. Mara ezinye izinto kumele sizenzeleni. uNkulunkulu uzokugaya amandla, uzosebenza, uzoba yi-last number. Khululeka uthi yami. From penny to pound. Kancane piki makumele. So asibonge. Mina ngikhulumile, angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. Action speaks louder than words.
And umuntu ongisizile or abantu abangisizile le yakubo straight manje. Imisebenzi yenu ukusizwa lenu nizolibona amehlo wherever you are. uzolibona usizo lakho.
Nna ke Charles from Wina Media ke sepana le bra Israel. Ke nyaka go leboga kudu Mr. Banele P. Dlamini who donated for re kgone etsa mmereko re o entseng. Banele P. Dlamini Mr. Gift le yena o donatile something, and then le Khoni Makwela from Vilolos. You know hore be re la ka gase, you donated tšhelete ya gase. I thank God hore together with Mr. Israel, we are able to work and make sure whatever the little we have, we share with our community. Somebody naka ikenya ka potleng or reka mabotlelo or reka something, but right now we decided to pour our own petrol and take our time and then re etse hore the dreams tsa apa di phethagale. Guys, we need your support. The only way we can grow and do more, go let's subscribe to our podcast. Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. You lose nothing by subscribing. How only data, just invest there, check up content there, it will go a long way. Tomorrow is your child. Last year, we by 8 go rehab from our own pocket, Mr. Israel, using our own petrol, our own resources. This year, and out.